you will be learning that how to give your cell text as a color. Okay, so by default your text color is for heading is black. I can type here and to see this is Jupyter notebook, and if I run it, it will show in black color by default. So suppose you want to change this color as a green, red, yellow, and cyan color. So let's see how to do it. Okay, so for doing that, go to the next cell and go here, mark down, type command span arrow and span a style equal to give in a closure string color such that red and close with arrow, and then give your text. So I want to give the same text, so I will give the same text, and then I will tap here arrow span and close with arrow. Now run it, and also give here has to get the heading. Now run it. Okay, so here you can see that this time the text has been written in a red color. So similarly you can copy the all stuff and go here, mark down, and you can make it say blue, so it will be in blue color. Okay, so this way you can give different color to this text using markdown in your notebook. So I hope you got the idea that how to give text as a color in the cell. So thank you.